Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the weather analysis for today, Wednesday through Friday, September 10 to 12, 2025. This is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainability. If you're interested to know more about sustainability program or BPI, just click on the link here. And the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Lenny Robredo and our Honorable Vice Mayor Gabi Bordado. Well, for the past few days, we are experiencing some thunderstorms, the usual thunderstorms during a normal tropical climate or tropical weather conditions without any tropical cyclones, although we have a typhoon that made landfall over the western part of Guangdong 2 days ago, Typhoon Tapa, with local name Lani, and it has dissipated over the mountainous areas of southern China. And right now we're experiencing some tropical weather conditions. In the afternoon or evening we have these usual thunderstorms, and during the past few days, last Monday, we experienced a very strong small thunderstorm over Naga City, particularly along the area of San Felipe, Liboton, and also extending into Canakman, Camarines Sur, where rain rates of up to 370 millimeters per hour was registered, with total rainfall of 30 to 45 millimeters in span of just 30 minutes. That's an example of cloud burst, which we have been giving you examples during the past videos a few weeks ago. And right now, for the latest satellite animation, this is the fast animation. There is a tropical wave moving into the eastern coastal areas of Luzon, but it's expected to weaken as it traverses the mountainous areas of the Sierra Madre. And thunderstorms will still persist throughout the afternoon or evening in most parts of the country. And it's all clear across the Western Pacific without any tropical cyclone formation whatsoever. And for our zoom in satellite animation, there you go. This is the tropical wave, which has been persisting during the past 2 days, and it's likely to move towards the West Philippine Sea. Right now, we are experiencing some dry phase of the Modern Junior Oscillation, wherein there are no monsoonal flow, or southwest monsoon, and right now we are only experiencing localized thunderstorms in most parts of the country. And here's the latest wind forecast from the European model. We are experiencing some calm conditions, variable winds all throughout the landmass of the Philippines, while over the ocean waters or the Philippine Sea, we have light winds from the east, blowing from the north over the West Philippine Sea. So it's purely the absence of the southwest monsoon right now. It's on a break, and it's only concentrated over the Indian Ocean, and it's likely for the next few weeks the southwest monsoon will end as we move into the transition month of October. And November to March is the beginning of the northeast monsoon or the winter monsoon across the Asia Pacific. And for the next 5 days, everything is still quiet except for those thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, calm to variable winds across the Philippines until Monday. And there are some easterlies affecting extreme northern Luzon, and a series of tropical waves might form. And likely we have one here approaching again the eastern sections of Visayas and Mindanao. Not expected to become a low pressure system, but we shall see in the next couple of days. And so far, that's the latest for the next 5 days. But if we want to know what's the condition for the next 14 days, so far it's still clear until the heart of the Piña Francia Fiesta. If you are living in the Bicol region, especially over Naga City, during the time of the fluvial procession, there might be a new low pressure area forming over the Western Pacific east of extreme northern Luzon, which will pull some westerly winds across Bicol but it will remain normal weather conditions. And if we take a look at the latest rain forecast, this is the 3-hourly rain forecast for the next 5 days. So right now, here's the thunderstorm activities across the country. Then tomorrow afternoon, Thursday, September 11, there might be another round of thunderstorms across Luzon, Bicol region, Eastern Visayas, Western Visayas, Mindanao by Thursday afternoon. Friday afternoon, during the time of the Traslacion of Our Lady of Peñafrancia here in Naga City, the start of the Peñafrancia Festival, around 1 to 5 p.m. there might be another round of thunderstorm activity over the Bicol region, which includes Naga and Camarines Sur, Central Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. On Saturday, and again, thunderstorms will still persist all across the country, including Bicol region. Sunday afternoon is much better over Bicol region. We might not see any thunderstorm activity, but there might be still a chance of isolated rain showers. But when we speak of thunderstorms, it's absolutely absent by Saturday, September 14. But we don't know, since the forecast is 4 days from now. We will check it out again when we go back to our video analysis this coming Friday, when we return with our update this coming Friday. And on Monday, another round of thunderstorms will be expected all throughout the country, particularly over Central Luzon, Bicol region, Mindanao, Visayas, including Palawan. Okay, so that's the 5-day forecast. We are not going to extend after that, since the forecast of more than 5 days is highly uncertain. Changes is going to occur from time to time. And now let's take a look at the wave forecast. Nothing to show you here for the next 5 days until Monday, September 15. The ocean waters across the country will remain calm to light winds, calm to light waves over the West Philippine Sea up to 1 meter, over the central waters of our country up to half a meter. Over the East Philippine Sea, it's probably also up to 1 meter in wave height, suitable for fishing and sea travel. Let's take a look at the European Model Ensemble. And right now, this is from the easterlywave.com website. It's currently devoid of any active tropical cyclone formation. There's no one here. There's nothing here. Just a few dots of possible LPA forming here, but it's not fully populated. So if ever this dots increases with so many patterns within that location, there might be a tropical cyclone formation. But since it's less populated, so we don't have a problem for the next 2 weeks. And let's refresh this to give you the very latest as of 8 a.m. It's still based on the 2 a.m. update. Now here's the latest from the Global Tropics Hazard Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, wherein the second week is 50% probability and the third week is highly uncertain, less than 30% probability. And on week 2, valid September 17 to 23, we might be having more than 40% of a tropical cyclone formation over the north and central Philippine Sea, all the way up to Taiwan. Although over Taiwan it's only more than 20% probability. So this is not yet sure, since this is from the American model, and the above average rainfall is more than 50% due to localized thunderstorms. And on week 3, highly uncertain, September 24 to September 30, again, the Philippine Sea, east of our country, all the way up to Taiwan, will have more than 40% of tropical cyclone formation. But so far, it's all the same. Okay, this is from the American model. Now for the monsoon index forecast Now for the current monsoon index, it's currently very low. That's why we are on a break without any southwest monsoon across our country. Now let's take a look at the modern general oscillation. This is from the American model GFS forecast for September 9 until September 23, and it looks like the MJO is currently here over the Western Hemisphere and Africa area, and it's likely to move across the Indian Ocean by September 23. It will remain over the Indian Ocean, so we don't have any wet phase still over the country. This is the Philippines, so we are experiencing some normal pattern. So here's the graph showing the Philippines. It shows that we are on the dry phase of the modern general oscillation until September 23. The European model also have the same forecast showing the MJO wet phase just over the Western Hemisphere Africa area into the Indian Ocean for the next 20 days. While for the Australian Bureau of Meteorology forecast of the modern general oscillation, right now it's here over the Indian Ocean. It's expected to move into the Western Hemisphere Africa area, and it will remain that way, going back and forth into the Indian Ocean until October 8. Okay, so that's a 1 month forecast that the wet phase will be away from our country. So without this wet phase of the modern general oscillation, fair weather will still continue across our country, but in the afternoon or evening we expect this rain showers and thunderstorms, so watch out for possible cloud bursts that could generate intense to torrential rainfall, and as a result of that, it could create some localized small flooding in hazard-prone areas. Okay, so far this coming translation here in Bicol region, we are going to experience some thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. Those devotees and that will participate on the procession, don't forget to bring your umbrellas. But those who will carry the those who will push the image of our Virgin or Penafrancia, rain or shine, there's not a problem at all. Okay, so please take all necessary precautions during the procession and stay safe always. So that ends our update, and we'll see you again within the next couple of days. And thank you so much for watching our channel. Stay safe always, and God bless.